Welcome back to the channel, Studio Ray's Boys and Toys. And as you can see, I got a new toy here. My Father's Day's gift. We got the Weber Spirit 2. Alright guys, you know how it goes. I'm going to open it up, do the unboxing, and I'm going to put it together with video along with time-lapse. Alright, any issues, I'll let you know. And again, most of the times, these things when you buy them from the major, they give you free delivery and free assembly. Alright, so those who are not, if you're not interested in figuring out how to put this together, this video may not be for you. But if you do end up picking this up, and again, this thing is about $450, close to $500 grill, so it's not cheap. Alright, the reason why I like to put it together, because at least I know I'm putting it together properly. Alright, again, when you hire someone to do it, they're putting hundreds of these together. The attention to detail may be lax, so that's my only issue for not taking advantage of that service. Alright, I prefer to do it myself, so I know it's done right, or at least done the way I want it to be done. If that makes any sense. Alright guys, again, Boys and Toys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get in the video. Alright guys, about to open it up now. So let's take a look at it. Right now it's really hot. I'm outside, sunny, working underneath the canopy, so it might be a little, I hope this video's not that dark. But let's open it up. Let's take a look at it. Alright guys, so when you cut the box open, as you can see how it's wrapped. Therefore, you're choosing how to pull this out away from the box to get it out. Alright, so I'm going to cut a little more. We'll put this on time lapse. I'm going to get everything separated and start to get this thing put together. Alright. Alright guys, got the stuff all taken out. A lot of parts inside they have to take out. There's all the parts, the screws and everything is in one box. Here's all the other pieces. So it comes well packed. It should be. Alright, so there's a lot of cardboard you're gonna have to separate to get this all taken out of. Okay? Or to get out of, I should say. And that's that. So right now I'm gonna grab the directions to just over there, and I'm gonna start putting this thing together. Alright, again, like my other videos, I'm just gonna set up a time lapse. Any issues, anything I think that needs special attention, I'll stop, I'll bring it to you until all the way up to completion. Alright, so thanks for joining me. Alright, we got the new Weber Spirit 2 that we're putting together, my Father's Day gift. And please like, subscribe, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, as you can see, you're gonna need these two screwdrivers, two screwdrivers, number 2 and 3, 7/16, and a mallet. Alright, so I got them all two together, so now I'm gonna get into it. Alright, so stick with me and let's see how this baby turn out. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to show you, the first thing I want you to do is just hook up the legs here. Now as you see, you have a little profile. It has to go in between these things, and you can see there's a little clicking mechanism. That's what's going to go up in those little holes on these two ends. All right, these are the foots, and they say don't use a steel hammer. You got to use a mallet. All right, or get a piece of wood or something on top. If you don't have a rubber mallet, piece of wood with the hammer, then smack it down. So I happen to have a rubber mallet, so I'm gonna install these in now. All right, so just want to bring that to you. Okay, guys, I just want to bring it to your attention. All right, I'm up to step 3 now, right here, putting the 2 bars with the legs. And just to let you know, when they tell you what screws, they said the bag A, a good thing, they list all the screws with A, so it makes it much easier to find the screws that you need. So just keep the bag of screws within the bag and take out what you need. I think we got A, we got an F, we got a D, we got an E, and we got a C. So all the bags are properly labeled, which I like. So it's very easy to do this. All right, so I'm just going to continue on. I just want to bring that to your attention. I think that was a good look on Weber putting this together for us guys who wants to do it ourselves, so we're not searching for screws. So I'm dealing with bag A to start hooking up all the pieces, and I'm going to continue on. All right, just want to bring that to your attention. Alright guys, as you can see, you're gonna have to take off the cover off the grill. It's very easy. It just has these little collar pins. You just get a screwdriver, pull this off, it slips alright. Save these because you're gonna have to use these again to reattach the grill top. Alright, so now in your bag you'll see these silver screws. Those are going to be installed now in the holes that's in the front right here. One here and one here. So again, directions are very detailed. Take your time. There's really no issues. So I'm going to just keep it moving. All right. Alright guys, now you're going to hook up your wiring. Alright, you're going to take those little clamps, you're going to push them in these holes, run your wire, take it, make sure you go behind your gas line, and you're going to connect this. Alright, straightforward, black with black, yellow with yellow, and the 2 black ones go right there. Alright, and this is going to be mounted with a couple of holes right there. Alright, and you're going to use these screws here, alright, and coming in from the opposite side. So I just want to bring that to your attention. Alright, you're going to be mounting right on this side. 1, 2, right here. Alright, so just want to bring that to your attention. Again, putting this together is very easy, not complicated at all. Alright, so let me continue on. Alright guys, almost at home stretch now. I'm going to put the right cabin on, and this simply screws are already there. All you're going to do is use these two clamps with 4 screws and tighten it in. Alright, nothing hard about that. Alright guys, I'm almost to the end. Just got to install the gas, I guess you could call it a gas meter. Help me determine how much gas I got in my tank. So this just takes 2 screws, and it's going to get mounted right over there with those 2 screws in the middle. So let me continue on with that. Alright guys, it's all put together. To tell you the truth, there's really no issues. No issues at all as far as putting this thing together. The directions were pretty much very concise. Yeah, I can't really, there's no complaints at all on putting this together. Alright, no hiccups. I think if one thing, you'll get this little match lighting, if you ever have to start it with a match, which is, I don't think so, because you have a battery in there, but they do give you this underneath it. It's in a plastic. I took it off, the plastic off, not realizing what it was. So if you're not going to use this, leave it in the plastic, leave it taped under. What I'm going to do, I'm going to probably take this off, tape it back underneath there. So this is just in case if you ever have to light your grill with a match. But highly unlikely for this unit. But they gave you the option if you had to. So that's a nice look. That's it, guys. That's it. It's put together. It's durable. All right. The reason I wanted to put it together because I really wanted to understand the mechanics behind it, as far as how to put it together. So if there are any issues that I need to take something off or order another part, this and that, I know how to do it. So that's the only reason why I put it together myself, and it's very easy. No hiccups. All you need literally is the wrench, the Tuesday axe, in the instruction. That's all you need. You don't need any power tools. You could all buy those 2 the screwdrivers and that 7/16 wrench socket, and it's a wrap. All right. So it looks good. I like it. I'm going to be using it this weekend. This is the 4th of July weekend's coming up, so this is right on time. So again, guys, if you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Man, I got a lot of projects. Wifey got a long to-do list for me. I have a big gazebo that's going up pretty soon, so stay tuned for that also. Alright? Hi guys, again, Studio Ray's Boys and Their Toys. Got my new toy. I hit you off. Have a good holiday. Later.